Hello, it's Jarek. Welcome back to Paint Tech. This intro's already getting boring. It's only the second episode. Let's go. Okay, so today we are installing a Seagate Barracuda Compute. Please don't use this as a guide. This is really just filler content while I am getting ready for a bigger project. But, you know, this is a pretty cool hard drive. It's like the top one you'll see on PC Part Picker, but that's actually for good reason. It's not bad. This is Lukas, and he is my first computer and probably the worst craftsmanship of any computer ever. Wire management is non-existent. Just to get the, I already plugged a lot of stuff in, obviously, as you can see, because, again, don't use this for a guide, but I had to, like, fully take out the PSU, and I lost one of the screws in the process, and I had to move all these wires out of the way so I could get into the place right there. I'll quickly go over hard drive in case you don't know. This slides in that little cage right there, and then this plugs into motherboard right here. This plugs into PSU. That's all you really need to know. It's like this is our motherboard cable, runs through here all the way around. Grab my flashlight, and it goes right there in a little SATA slot. Yeah, again, this is horrible. I am completely aware. It was my first build. Go easy on me. So yeah, let's get to installing it. Bro, I don't know if you can hear that, but the ice cream truck is going by my house right now. Okay, so all you really need to do, like, this snaps in. By the way, this has, like, pop-in screws here, and you'll know I hate pop-ins already from the first episode, but actually they weren't that bad on this. They just took a little while to figure out, because I'm not smart. There we go, nice satisfying click. Okay, then this bad boy. I thought I was being smart using the right angle right here. They have to flip it upside down, so it is actually worse, and I cannot be bothered to go get a new one, which isn't a right angle. And, alright, there we go. And then PSU right here. Hold on, let me grab a thing. So you can just get stuffed in there. As long as this closes, I don't care. And then this. Yeah, looks about right. Okay. So now I'm just going to, because cable management is essential, as you can see, twist. Alright, beautiful. Now we just put this one, we're going to take it and plug it in right here. Okay, it went beautiful. And then this, oof. This just can, you know, just go in there. Okay, go now. There we go. Just put it in there. If it'll close, we're okay. I hate this side of the case. It's super annoying to put back on. Alright, I think if I hold it down, here, let me get screwing angle. There we go. Ignore all the boxes on my bed. I didn't remember where I put my hard drive trays, so I had to go look for them. And I looked through a million boxes only to find out they were in the storage room and not my room. Weren't too far from that broken Xbox 360E. My apologies for all the marker on my hand. I was doing a science project today, right? Okay, well, I know that was short, but I'll just give you a preview on what we might have in store for the next episode. This guy. Yeah. Lenovo, it's reflecting because it's chrome black, but it's a Lenovo ThinkPad mini tower. This thing is hardwired in the back. Not sure what it is, but we'll find out. Yeah. I don't have anything else to say. This is just a filler episode, and so I could show you my really, really awful PC. There's not much happening on the screen. Look at the ThinkPad. Oh, shoot. Look at the reflection. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I don't really have much else to say right now. Just kind of working on stuff. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. RGB, and now a an awful reading and writing noise. I'm gonna hear it from the hard drive disk spinning. Yeah.